Is your external component the Deflate Compression Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish localized compression orchestration links. Before we dive into the Deflate Compression Library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Deflate Compression Library, a specialized implementation of the deflate compression algorithm used for real-time data streaming and archive management. While many apps use Zlib, some proprietary software bundles this specific naming convention. If missing, the app cannot decompress its own internal data assets, leading to memory allocation failure or resource not found errors. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Since Deflate Compression Library DLL is an application-specific dependency for localized compression orchestration, you need to download the latest version of the software, throwing the error to properly register the library within its own folder. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Deflate Compression Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Deflate Compression Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing Deflate Compression Library references. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Deflate Compression Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.